In this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to add assignments in BandLab Education. The first thing you're going to do is click the New Assignment tab. Next, you're going to enter in the lesson name, the deadline, so when this lesson will be due, and any instructions you might have. I'm going to write in See Attachments because I have attachments to access for this lesson. Next, click the Attachments tab and click the arrow here to drop or upload the file of your choice. Click Open, and as you'll see, the file is being uploaded as we speak. Once the green bar is full, you will be able to click Publish Assignment. After clicking Publish Assignment, it might take a few moments for the lesson to appear on your screen. Congratulations! You've now figured out how to add an assignment into your classroom, and the students should be ready to get started.